Hey, this is Kevin Febry here, owner of Napoleon Machine. Napoleon Machine is a fabrication and machine shop. We focus on medium to large parts that we fabricate, machine, stress relieve, and paint, and we do some light assembly. Our parts range in size from 200 pounds up to 60,000 pounds in machining and 70,000 pounds in fabrication. We're beginning the recruiting process for new candidates for all three shifts. We are looking for boring mill operators and bridge mill operators. Napoleon Machine offers a great compensation package. We have wages that range between $50,000 and $100,000 a year with overtime. We have 100% paid medical. We have profit sharing, uniforms, boots, safety glasses, among some of the other great benefits that our company has to offer. I like to run a no-nonsense shop, so if you're looking for an opportunity where you can come in and take responsibility and you have good experience with a great attitude and the ability to learn, you're the candidate that we're looking for. I like to invest a lot of money in tooling and fixturing, and we have a lot of new high-end state-of-the-art equipment. Napoleon Machine employs the Speroni Futura presetter. As we know, all of the tool length offsets have to be determined when we load the tooling into the machine. We purchased a pretty large presetter for our use. We can go up to just under 24 inches in height, and we can go out to about 32 inches in diameter. This serves us well for all of our large boring mills and boring bars and anything large that we have to preset for our tooling. So Napoleon Machine also employs the Heimer shrink fit tooling system. You'll hear me preach a lot about quality is built in the process. Over the years, I've learned myself running a CNC that having the strongest tool holders or best clamping forces, good cutting tools with zero run out, good spindles with zero run out are extremely important. The reason I use the shrink fit tooling is they have 4 times the clamping force of any hydraulic chuck that's out there. They're way better than any type of ER collet. And we have a wide variety of shrink fit tool holders. Some folks have used shrink fit tooling, others have not. So shrink fit is just an induction heat method, and it heats up and expands the tool holder, and then you can take the tool out, and then when you want to put a new tool in, you bring the induction heat shrink machine down, heat it up, drop the tool in. It's designed for an interference fit, so any of the tooling that's used in the shrink fit has to be an H6 class fit shank on all your tooling, whether it's high-speed steel or carbide. But again, with the clamp forces, and we buy good end mills, everything runs true and concentric. So this is one of 3 machines that we are looking to find someone for an off shift. This is our Awea LP2516 with a right angle head, so we have 5-sided machining. Again, in the theme of efficiency, we also have a modular fixturing table on here that we designed ourselves. You'll see cross keys that are on 8-inch centers, and then we have a variety of accessories that can pop on and off the tables. Everything is drawn in CAD ahead of time. This particular machine has a 30-tool magazine. The right angle head is also an auto changer. The travel on this machine is approximately 5 foot by 8 foot and a little over 3 feet in Z. This is the second machine that we're looking to find an employee for. This is the SNK Nagata BP130/3.0 boring mill. We have a full 4th rotary axis. We have travels of about 7 foot on Y by just under 10 foot on X. 60 tools in the magazine, through the spindle coolant, 2200 RPMs. This is one of our newer acquisitions. We're also in the process of designing and implementing the same modular fixturing that we have on our other two bridge mills, and that is that the cross keys will still have all the same center to center distances. So all the accessories that we use are interchangeable, but we'll have a couple extra features and some different accessories for this machine, but the concept is the same. This is the part that we're machining right now on the SNK boring mill. A couple additional things that I'd like to point out. All of our larger machines, we keep leveled, we ball bar, and laser compensate. Not only do we like to do large parts, but we like to do large parts extremely accurate. We machine a lot of components and bases for OEM machine builders, so we're continually cutting nice flat surfaces within 2/1000ths or less, super fine micro finishes. Here we're holding a 32 finish. We're taking a 2/1000ths depth of cut going at 150 inches a minute. We employ that technique on all of our machines. So we are typically looking for larger parts that have tighter tolerances, which again is extremely important on keeping all of our equipment dialed in really good. So this is our LB633 bridge mill. This machine has 11-foot travel on the Y-axis, by 20 foot on the X-axis, by 5 foot on the Z-axis. This also has a right angle head. It's an automatic tool change right angle head, 60 tools in the magazine. On this particular machine, we have 12 subtables. They're the exact same setup as our LP2516 that I showed you earlier. You'll see in this setup that there's no clamps while we're machining this part. We use Technomagnete work holding magnets, and these are put on a set of risers. The risers have the matching cross keys. So again, this is part of our modular fixturing system. We have a whole host of accessories that can go on and off this table. It allows for fast setups. The machining magnets allow for access to all 5 sides. This particular part is a platen for one of our press manufacturers. So one of the last things we want to show you is that we do employ a vending machine. So when we talk about standards in the magazine, all the drills that we keep standard for inch and metric tap drills, clearance hole drills, all the insertable cutters, certain end mills, there's some rhyme or reason to it that we also want to stock the various grades and styles of inserts so that everyone in the entire shop is using the same inserts, the same end mills, the same drills. We get some cost competitiveness that way. So all of our tooling that's in the vending machine is monitored through the internet. They can always look at usage. We also have some other control points throughout the shop. We can't possibly put all the tooling in this vending machine. But again, we like to be as efficient as possible when it comes to tooling. So not only do we want the best tooling that we can run the fastest speeds and feeds, but we want to make sure that we're stocked properly. Wanted to thank you for taking a couple minutes to listen to our video presentation on the job opportunities that we're looking for here at Napoleon Machine. Again, we're looking for all shifts, primarily second and third shift though. I hope that we've shared enough information for you to go to our website and look at our careers page. I would also encourage you to look at our fabrication video that's on our YouTube channel. You'll get a better idea of what I mean by quality in the process. You'll see how we employ Bluco modular weld system and incorporate our work coordinate systems from weld into the modular fixturing on the CNC machines. I hope you, again, have a good understanding of how I really want quality built in the process and how we're efficient. We use high-end tooling, modular fixturing, shrink fit tooling, standardization on all of the cutting tools, and we keep all of our equipment dialed in with leveling, lasering, and ball barring. So with that, I thank you again for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye.